All right. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Today we're actually live on Instagram too. This is my first time. I didn't realize this multi-stream service that I have could do Instagram, but it looks like it's I might end it because it's like it's not working. At least this shape. It doesn't take the 16:9 shape that I have. It does 9:16, and I'm not centered at all. Like I feel like left. I don't even know. I'm gonna end it. Yeah, it's not working. All right. Good morning, everyone. Man, it's been a crazy week. It's been a crazy month. Seeing what price is doing, seeing what all the Bitcoin and Solana, it's like, what is actually going to happen? I feel like everything's stagnant, and we've been waiting for this pump to come, and it just like doesn't want to come. But today is October 25th. I did a tweet. I don't know if it came out yet. I don't know if I scheduled it or what, but October 25th is historically one of the most profitable days in the market for Bitcoin. Or 27th is the next most profitable day in the market. So I'm excited to see what happens today. I'm excited to see what price action does today. But yeah, good morning, Fabs. Good morning. Oh, my grandma. My grandma's in here right now. Good morning to my grandma. Hope you're having a great day. Happy Friday. That's so funny. My grandma's in here. All right, it's a good Friday already. We got like 21 people in here across all the platforms, so I'm excited to see how today goes. And today we're gonna do a little bit more of a conversations of, I'm sure people are hearing maybe some whispers of airdrops that are coming. We're gonna be talking about Jupiter. We're going to be talking about Grass Foundation, and we're also going to be talking about Magic Eden, probably one of the most anticipated airdrops to come in the space. And so I'm excited to get into those. Make sure you guys are all prepared. And then, of course, we're also going to do some technical analysis on the markets, and because price actually is doing something very unexpected right now. We might actually kick off with that first. But prices, actually we'll wait to do the technical analysis. We'll probably go into the airdrops and things like that first, and then we'll go into some TA on Bitcoin and Solana, because I kind of want to see what happens in the next like hour or so on the charts, because price I don't know if you guys saw it this morning. It was doing good. It was holding, but then all of a sudden it just is now falling. So the positions I had are closed. I'm out, and now I'm waiting for a new opportunity. And so yeah, today has been weird. But let's get into some airdrop conversations. Let's get into some of what is coming literally this next week. Of this next week of what is coming. So let's get the screen share. All right. The first one I want to cover, I got my charts up, but we're not doing TA yet. The first one I want to cover is Magic Eden, because that's probably one of the most anticipated airdrops of the year of 2024. And if you've been in Solana space or even Ethereum and Bitcoin, right, even those chains are getting rewarded when it comes to these airdrops. So let's get into that first. On October 24th, which was yesterday, Jack Liu is the CEO and co-founder of Magic Eden, okay, on mission to make digital ownership universal. Okay, he's the owner of magiceden.io. And if you have ever traded an NFT, if you've ever used Magic Eden's platform, if you've ever done anything like that with Magic Eden, you probably have Magic Eden diamonds, right? Which will then be converted into ME on October 28th. Well, October 29th, which it's the test ME. Yeah, right? It's a huge red candle, Fabs. Yeah, it's unexpected. Like, look at that candle right there. On Bitcoin too. We'll see though. We'll see. I'm honestly, we're still early in today, right? It's only 11 a.m. where I'm at, so we're kind of like halfway through the day, right? So I'm still want to see what happens here. I mean, Solana hasn't on the higher time frames made a lower low, so we could find some support here in this consolidation area and a bounce off. So before, I don't want to get too deep into the TA, but let's continue on the Magic Eden token. Yeah, but that's a huge red candle that just came in. Okay, so if there's a date you need to be paying attention to and you should participate in, it's October 29th. Okay, October 29th, you can claim Test ME. Now, there was one other company who's done something like this where you can claim a fake token, right? A test token before the real one came out. Do you guys know, anybody watching, do you know what other company did the test token before we actually did the real token? Do you guys know which company did it earlier this year in January? I accidentally just said a little bit of it. But Jupe, one of the biggest airdrops. It probably actually so far is, I'd say, the biggest airdrop of 2024. Jupe did this with Mock Jup, right? You had an opportunity to participate in the test portion before Jupe went live. So for me, I will be making sure I claim and participate in Test ME on October 29th. Okay. So let's read a little bit what it says. Hey guys, please read. Test ME is happening on October 29th. Okay. Right there. You see that. That brings us one step closer to the ME claim. Here's what you should expect. So you have a couple days window to claim. It doesn't have to be on the 29th. So if you're a little busy, you have until Halloween or October 31st to claim. From the 29th to the 31st, you have a window to claim. And the claim experience will closely mirror the official ME token claim process. So my guess is they're going to try to find bugs. They're going to try to do a heavy test. They're probably hoping for thousands and thousands of people to test this. So then hopefully they can find some bugs that they can fix before Magic Eden comes and the actual ME token. Okay, the intention of testing ME is to purely test the mobile claim experience and get your feedback. It will not have any value or utility. Mock Jup said the same exact thing, that Mock Jup will have no value or utility. But degenerates like all you guys watching right now took Mock Jup and actually pumped it a little bit, and it was actually a little bit of value, if I remember correctly. Test ME is a pure test token. We actively discourage trading and speculation on it. I'm not going to speculate on it. They're clearly saying it has no value, but What I will say is this: just watch it, claim it, and if it goes up and you actually turns out it becomes valuable, right? It actually has a value. Take profit and then rotate that into Magic Eden or Solana or whatever, right? So this, don't read this and say, right? Don't read this and say, oh, I'll just pass on test ME. I won't even participate. I'm telling you right now, it is a free token. Just participate. Worst comes to worst, you have a useless token that didn't cost you anything. Best case scenario, that token actually gives you some free money. Okay, like just participate in it. Okay, that's all I can say. I don't know if it'll be valuable. I don't know if it might be worth 0. It could be worth more. I don't know. Just do it. Just participate. Okay, that's all I have to say. If you have been trading on chain over the last few years, there's a good chance you're eligible for testing me. So when it's available on the 29th, check any and every wallet that you have. Okay, open up your burner wallets, open up your wallet you haven't touched in a year, open up all of them, connect them, and see which one which ones are eligible. Because you might have some sleeper wallet that has a bunch that's claimable, and if testing me actually becomes valuable, they say it won't, but we've seen it in the history when other test coins come out, they actually do have value. You could potentially get some free moolah. Okay, so just check everything. And we'll keep reading on through this. How eligibility for testing me is not one-to-one with eligibility for ME. We are still in the process of refining the ME eligibility to ensure that ignorant traders are punished. Okay, so they're still trying to make sure those people that did some wash trading and some not good trading on the site just to farm ME are punished. Okay, so they'll be watching that. Each user claiming will receive the same allocation. Okay, some unfortunate news: users in the US/UK will not be able to claim. UK fam, we're still working with our legal team to unlock UK access to Magic Eden wallet. Now this, right, there's a way around it. Okay, it's very easy. VPN. Okay, if you're worried about this, you're like, oh no, I'm not gonna get it. Oh no, VPN. Okay, there's free VPNs. I got NordVPN. If you want to use my link in my bio to give you a discount for Nord, so if you want to get your VPN, this allocation could potentially just pay for that VPN, right? So yeah, so we're going to stay close to the community throughout the process. Make sure to give us your feedback. So if you're watching this, you know there's a way around this. Okay, VPNs. VPNs are the best tool. So yeah, go ahead and do that. Get that set up before the 29th, right? If you're US or UK, get a VPN set up, do some research, find one you like, find one you trust, get it set up. I use a Dubai location. That one's usually pretty good. And then yeah, claim like that. Okay. Yeah, so that's why I want to talk about testing me. Now, I also want to talk about this of being very weary for everybody watching right now. If you are going to participate in testing me, if you want to participate in this airdrop and receiving Magic Eden token or the test token, right? There's going to be probably a lot of fake links, of scam links. If you click a link, do not click anything that's not from like Jack Lou or the Magic Eden team. Okay, just be smart. Okay, there's not a rush. You have 2 days to claim, or really like 3 days to claim this token, so there is no rush. Okay, make sure you're clicking the right links, make sure you're using the right sites, and I really do not want to see anybody in my community get drained. Okay, I don't want to see anyone lose money because they didn't pay attention. And if you're worried about a link, if you're worried about clicking the wrong thing, look at the bottom of our screen, this way, over there. Join our Discord, okay? Join our Discord, and if you want to make sure you click the right link, I'll put the right link up in the Discord, okay? And make sure it's all safe. So if you want to make sure it's from a trusted source, that's someone you know, and it's like clearly the right stuff, join our Discord, and I'll make sure you guys are taken care of. Or if you find links, you can throw them in there, and I'll vet them and let you know if it's legit or not. So yeah, use our Discord as a place to keep yourself safe and a place to utilize the resources that we offer. Okay. Don't, please, no one be dumb in that situation, because I've seen it happen way too many times where people just start clicking links because they get too excited. But yeah, please be smart, okay? Wait, why did you make it seem as though US and UK users are rewarded the entire year yet, and then at the very end they say, huh? I read down a little bit further that UK can't claim because the mobile app is not in the App Store. This might be a hint that it might be through the app, the Magic Eden app. Let me check real fast. Let me check if I have the Magic Eden app. I think I do. I have the, let me see. Okay, I'd say this. If you are planning on doing this in prep, download the Magic Eden wallet app, okay? I'm going to just say that real fast. If you're planning on doing the test in me and you want to participate in the Magic Eden airdrop, make sure you have a Magic Eden wallet, okay? ME wallet. Good morning, Evan. Hope you're having a great day. Okay, so let me show you what I'm talking about. Let me go to Magic Eden. This wallet, okay? You're gonna want to make sure you have one of these wallets. I assume they're gonna make it be through their wallet. Okay, the Magic Eden wallet. So go to the App Store, okay, and you should be able to download this. If not, now there's the other option that you just get the link and you use it in a Phantom wallet. So it's kind of hard to tell. They're giving vague information. They're giving some vague information, but it should be, you probably can do it outside of the wallet. Yeah, you probably can. We'll see though. I'll keep you guys informed. But watch out for that on the 29th, okay? I'll keep you guys informed. We have 2 live streams before the 29th even happens, so we will keep you guys informed, okay? Let's check the charts real fast. Wow, look at that wick off. I just want to check this real quick. Okay. Solana, let's see what Bitcoin's in. Bitcoin, what? Look at that. That's like a crazy wick on Bitcoin. Okay. I just want to check in on that real fast. Okay. Let's go back to... All right, Magic Eden, okay? That's kind of it. Be prepared for the 29th. Be prepared for the test ME claim, right? Let's go back. Be prepared for this test Magic Eden claim, okay? And yeah, it's happening very soon. Solana 2 1000 sounded like they wanted to force people into the mobile ME wallet. Yeah, but I hope it's outside of that. They've tried to force people into the Magic Eden wallet before, but there's ways around it. Like there's ways that you've been able to go around it, because if you just have the right link, you just go into the Phantom wallet or your browser and copy and paste that link, right? But yeah, there should be ways around it. And so anyone wondering if you're lost on what I'm talking about airdrops, this is basically free money that is airdropped to you for being a part of the Solana ecosystem and the crypto ecosystem. So now we're going to go on from Magic Eden. Okay. And we're going to talk about Jupiter. Okay. Jupiter. If you don't know Jupiter, this is one of my favorite DeFi like protocols. Okay. I love Jupiter. Okay. Meow is amazing. The team of Jupiter is amazing. We got to see them in Singapore. It was great. Love Jupiter. And what I want to talk about is right now, if you have locked up Jupe, okay, the token Jupe, if you have locked up and you have it staked, make sure you're participating in these votes. There's one live right now. Okay. It went live today, like an hour, 3 hours ago. It went live. Okay. So if you want to make sure you're getting rewarded for holding Jupe and taking part in the Jupe ecosystem, make sure you're going and voting. Okay. And the simplest way to go vote is vote, VOTE, .jupe, JUP, .ag. Okay. Or if you find this tweet right here that I'm showing you, the link is right here, right? See that vote.jup.ag? That's the site you go to. Okay. And then if you want to see the full proposal, you can read up on it. Okay. And we'll actually do it right now. I'm going to do it on stream. I'm going to actually go vote. So what you do is you click this guy right here. I already have it opened up on this site. Okay. It's going to take you to this site, the DAO. Okay. Decentralized Autonomous Organization. All right. And then when you're in here, if you don't have Jupe staked, you can stake it right here. I have all mine staked. I got about 3,000 staked. Then you scroll down and you see this active one. I missed 2. Oh, I missed 3. I'm super bummed on that. I think this is when I was like traveling. Was this travel or right after travel? But yeah, so you go here to the active vote, right? You can read up on it. Proposal increase quorum for Jupe DAO. Each DAO vote must reach a minimum threshold. Okay, currently this number is set to 60 million Jupe. We are proposing 2 options to change this threshold. Increase from a fixed 60 mil Jupe to a fixed 120 mil. Peg the quorum to 30% of staked Jupe right before each. Increase quorum for Jupiter DAO. Let me see. I honestly don't know which way I want to vote on this yet. I don't want to have you guys. What do you think about Turbo Coin? I don't know about Turbo Coin. We're talking about some airdrops right now. Because there's airdrops that you got. I just claimed my airdrop from Jupiter this week. So increase the DAO quorum. Since the first vote in March, the DAO experienced significant growth. More members than ever are collaborating. However, as we grow, certain metrics may no longer serve us as effectively. For instance, each vote requires 60 million votes to cast to be voted for considered valid. As illustrated, the graph below, over time, quorum has been reached. Oh, I see. Quorum is the minimum number of votes required for a vote to be considered. Okay, let's see how many votes in the past. How many are we at now? Oh, we're already at 109 mil. Let's go back to others. How many votes were in this one? 307 mil. How many votes are in this one? 256. Yeah, I think they should raise it. Because they easily hit every single time over 100 mil in votes. 267. See this one. 177. That's good. What about this one? 140. I mean, they've never not hit 120 mil. So I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to vote off screen so you guys can't see it. Just so you guys just do your own. All right. I'm doing my vote. And when you do your vote, you do actually initiate a transaction. And it doesn't cost you anything. It costs just the transaction fee, which is less than a penny. All right. Did it go through? Okay, I voted. I don't want to show you my... All right, there we go. We are now voted. We participated. And so what does that do? When I voted, right? When I voted for all these, right? After each vote, at the end of the time period, you get ASR rewards, active staking rewards. And what that means is in order to receive ASR rewards, you have to vote. You have to be an active member of the DAO. Okay. And when I go here, I earned in my ASR rewards on this last time, I earned 259 jupe. Okay. That's $259 I earned just by voting because I'm a DAO member. Okay. I earned 46 cloud. Okay. I probably should have earned more because I missed some votes. I missed 2 of the 4. And I should have gotten more, but I missed some votes. So that's why you need to be participating if you stake jupe. And if you don't have jupe and you want to participate, go buy and scoop up some jupe, however much you can afford, and stake it. And then be an active participant, because literally you get rewarded for participating in these votes and being an active member of the community. Okay. So I really love Jupiter. I love that they reward their holders for being participants. I love that they want to have the DAO and empower the DAO. And I love that you get paid out every once in a while from your active participation. So there you go. Make sure you're participating if you have jupe. And if you don't have jupe, grab some and then go stake it. And if you want help with that, again, join my Discord. I'd be more than happy to get you set up with jupe and actively participating in this. Okay. I'd be more than happy to help you guys out with that. So yeah, go do that and make sure you're participating, because also we're almost at 2025. Okay. We have 2 months left pretty much until 2025 happens, and Jupuary is coming. And so if you want to take part in probably arguably one of the biggest airdrops that are coming in 2025, right? Make sure you go to jump.ag, and if you want to start doing volume there, you will get paid out and you receive an airdrop of Jupiter and maybe more. We'll see what they all give us airdrops. So you go here, you can do spot, limit, DCA, right? Perps, whatever it is, you can participate and you can then get the airdrop that's coming in 2025. Okay. Make sure you're doing this stuff. And again, if you need help, go to the Discord, ask questions. I'm there for you. I'm here to help you guys out. All right. That's Jupiter. Now the last one before we move on to technical analysis. Okay. Before we move on to TA for the day is Grass Foundation. Okay. Grass Foundation is also arguably one of the biggest airdrops we are waiting. Oh, sorry. Here's some questions. Does Jupe announce claims on Discord announcements? I personally don't follow the Discord announcements, but their X is very active and will always announce that on X, on their Twitter account. Crypto Journey. So if you're ever wondering, I think the best way is to have like post notifications on Jupiter, and then they're always announcing that. They're always announcing that stuff. Yeah, you're welcome, Crypto Journey. And if you have more questions, Crypto Journey, in the future, either throw them in the chat on the live stream or hop in our Discord, and I'll be happy to help you guys. Let me actually open up the Discord just in case if people are asking questions. Okay, we're good right now. But yeah, hop in that Discord. All the links are in my bio. So if you're looking for any of these things down here on the lower part of the screen, all the links are in my bio. Okay, so really easy. Just go visit my link tree and they're all there. Why am I not following the Grass Foundation? I just realized that. Sometimes I realize I follow things, but I don't follow them. It's kind of funny. All right, Grass Foundation. The last one I want to talk about. Okay, Grass Foundation is where is it? Let me go to the actual. Is grass.io. Okay, if you don't know about this, I've been like farming grass for over a year now. I have the extension up in my browser where I farm grass, and I farm every single day. Basically, you just share your data and your bandwidth, I think it is. And they use AI to like make Solana much faster. I think they were able to get to Solana. It's like over 1 million TPS. I'm kind of, it's honestly what they do is above my pay grade. It's hard to understand for me, but what I do understand is they are making waves in the space. Okay, that's what I can understand. And so I'm following them. I've been accumulating grass, and you're gonna want to make sure you have your claim ready. Okay, grass airdrop 1, one of the most widely distributed airdrops in history, will take place on October 28th. So next week is a big week, okay? You got October 28th, you claim grass. October 29th to the 31st, you can claim TestMe. And then however long after that, you're going to claim Magic Eden token. Okay, so next week is a big week, okay? If you want more on the grass tokenomics, go visit Grass Foundation. There's their white papers right there. Let's read about it, okay? Airdrop 1 represents a crucial step towards building the first user's own map of the internet. Okay, Grass will enable holders to engage with the Grass network as follows: token buybacks and network fees, staking to secure the network's infrastructure, which I will probably be taking part of. Note, locked tokens cannot be staked. Okay, reward all users for the contribution to the network, governance rights for all token holders. Okay, to be eligible for the airdrop 1, you must have earned 500 plus grass points in any epoch and linked your wallet on the grass dashboard before October 14, 2024, which I think I did. I'm like pretty sure I did. If I did not, I will probably cry. I'll be very upset. Claims are not live yet. Stay cautious and avoid scams. Okay, this is the final post in thread. Do not click any links. If people start putting links down here, do not click them. Okay, but yeah, make sure you're ready for this airdrop coming October 28th. Okay, if not, watch it. Okay, and let me show you guys something too. Let me go to Whales Market. Okay, which I have a link in my bio for this too if you want to take part in Whales Market. Look at this. Free market. Oh wait, no, we're gonna go points. Okay, we're gonna look at Magic Eden. And we're going to look at grass. Okay. Okay. What is, oh, it's loading. Grass. What is grass currently trading at? Let's see. Under a penny. Okay. It's 0.000135. I could have sworn I saw it higher than that. Let me see. Hold up. Is it, maybe it's pre-market, but you can already start trading grass points. Okay, let's see real fast. Thank you so much for sharing the live stream, everyone. Thank you for liking. If you're in here and you're enjoying this content, you're finding value here, please like it, please share it. It means the world to us. Any engagement really helps. Okay, I'm waiting for this thing is slow. Holy smokes. I'm waiting for it to load. Oh my gosh. There we go. Jeez. That was horrible. Pre-market. Let's see. Is grass on here? Yeah, okay, here we go. Grass is currently trading at 86 cents a token. Grass is currently trading at 86 cents a token. Okay, that's pretty crazy. Okay, almost at $1 before launch has even gone live. Okay, and if you'd like to do pre-market trading, use the link in my bio. Okay, I have a link in my bio that is a referral link for Whales Market Pro. So if you want to go check this stuff out, use the link in my bio, and you can trust that link too as a trusted site link. And then also it's a referral link that I don't know exactly. I think you guys earn from it too. I can go check real fast. But let's check also Magic Eden. Okay. Magic Eden is currently trading at 31 cents. Okay. 31 cents is what Magic Eden is trading at right now. So that alone, in those two tokens, you're getting over $1 a token of what you're of those, right? Or not? No, that's not good math. You're getting 31 cents from Magic Eden and 86 cents a token from Grass. Okay, it's a big airdrop. It's something you're not going to want to miss. I'm very, very, very excited for both of these and will be actively trading and actively participating in both airdrops. Okay, so I wanted to do that and spend kind of like the first hour when it comes to our live stream talking about these airdrops, talking about how you can be best prepared. And real fast before I move on, are there any questions that you guys have? Are there anything that you guys are wondering of how do you take part in this and how do you best prepare? Let me make sure I'm not missing any chats. This is going to be big stuff. Okay, these two airdrops could potentially be bigger than Jupiter and have been probably the two most awaited airdrops of 2024, and they're finally happening. Okay, so these are going to be big, and even if you don't have an allocation for the airdrop, the trading will be really big opportunities too. My guess is when market opens, you're going to see a massive pump, then a big large dump and correction. That's when it's probably the best time to start accumulating and DCing into that coin if you don't have an airdrop, and then being patient and waiting for another pump. Okay, so any questions before I move on? And we can always come back too, but by far I'm very stoked. I mean, as you can see, Grass and Magic Eden are top traded coins already, and they're not even live. Right, I mean, 24-hour volume for Grass is 1.2 million. Okay. What is Magic Eden volume is a little lower, but total volume for Magic Eden is 1 mil. Total volume for Grass is 4.1 million in volume already. All right, and it's not even a live coin yet. Jupe was one of the ones that you could trade early, right? It had a lot of volume, almost 44 million in volume. Portal was another popular one, but nothing beat Jupe. Okay, these Grass and Magic Eden could potentially beat Jupiter in regards to the volume that they bring. But yeah, let's move on. Okay, I wanted to give you guys the alpha on that. Make sure you're getting ready for that, and make sure you're getting prepared also for even trading on these sites. Okay, wow, holy smokes, that is some market manipulation if I've ever seen it. Okay. I'm actually gonna be wow. I'm actually putting in a position right now. Let me see, actually. Let me wait for 22 minutes and see what... I want to see what this candle does. But I'm probably going to be putting in a position live on stream. Okay. I closed my positions because I saw what was going on. And I was like, oh, my entry was way up here. So I'm hoping to get a better entry down here. But man, look at that. Dropped down to that support. Pumped right off of it. Holy smokes. I should have just left my positions open probably. That stinks. Okay, let's get into some TA. Let's get in some TA. We got 21 minutes before I decide to potentially put in a trade. So let's do this thing. Okay, let's do some technical analysis. All right. Let's just do let's just do Bitcoin right now. Let's just do Bitcoin, which I think it's gonna mess up. I think I forgot to update my colors over here. I'm gonna do that right now. We're gonna update colors real fast because I like this new color, this color wave that I've got going on here. Canvas, crosshair. Yep. Okay. And symbols. Oh, here. I love this new color combo. I don't know why. I just really enjoy it. Okay. And let's fix these real quick. Where did I have it? Let me just... We'll just do it from here. We'll get both Solana and Bitcoin at the same time. I don't want to do it on stream. That's boring. All right. We'll shrink it. Oh no. Bitcoin's up down here. So we'll shrink it down. We'll have Solana just there so we can watch it. Let's put it to the 1 hour time frame so we can watch that thing. Okay. All right. We're going to look at Bitcoin first, okay? Let's go to daytime frame. Okay. On the daytime frame, we just hit this support area right here. Right? On these peaks. Okay. We made a higher low again. Higher highs. Now, this looks like some consolidation here that when we get into lower time frames, it kind of tells us a little bit more. But my goal is still $69,000 to $70,000 Bitcoin. Okay. That's still my goal. I'm not wavering from that. I'm just watching what the market's doing because you never know what's happening. But October 25th is historically one of the most profitable days on the market in October. Okay. And then October 27th is the second most profitable day. Okay. So I'm watching it right now. You have this trend line forming. Let's put a trend line here. Got this trend line on Bitcoin. Okay, you got that one right there. And then you also have this trend line. Right there. Okay, so 2-day trend lines right now. You see those? I'm watching that. Price, the reason why I closed is I saw price breaking the trend line and I closed. I was like, okay, it's not good. I'm going to look for a re-entry. Okay, now I'm looking for the re-entry. Because now it's actually doing what I wanted to. So this is Bitcoin currently. Okay. Let me show you this. This is a support zone right here. This is my $69,000 to $70,000 support zone. And how did I find that support zone? That is this peak over here. Okay, and when we go down the 4 hour time frame, there's a support right here. So let's go down that 4 hour and we'll see support. I'll show you what I mean. You go over here to the next left highest peak. Right there. That support is what I'm aiming for, which is about 70K to a low of 69.3 or 69.4 essentially. Okay. I'm watching price right now, looking to re-enter on this trend line retest and then ride it to this box. Okay. That's my goal. Now, as you see on the 4 hour, it's respecting this trend line. Also on the 4 hour, when you zoom in, right? Let's look in just in this area right here. We called this support right here. We called this support. We knew this support was something special and something important. It hit that support, wicked off hard. We made an entry and made some profit on this move. Now I'm looking to re-enter on this correction and make profit on this next move. Okay. Now, what I like to see on this 4 hour, what I'm liking right now is that it hit support, it pushed up and made a higher high, right? It broke this consolidation. Now it also, you could argue that it made a lower low, right? It also could argue that it made a lower low here. Okay. So that's why I'm watching what is going on here. What is going to happen here? Are we going to find support and hold this trend line and push outside of this and make another higher high from this peak, right? From this area? Or are we going to get kind of stuck and maybe trade sideways into the weekend? And then the 27th, will we see a pump? Okay. I still am bullish up into the election. I think, thank you so much for the heart, William. I really appreciate that. Thank you so much. I think we're still bullish up until election, but then election day, I have no idea what's going to happen. There's a lot that could happen on election day. Election day makes me kind of worried. I think there's going to be volatility, and I don't know which way. It's going to be very hard to tell. Another thing I'm seeing on Bitcoin on the 4-hour time frame is this. A respect of the 50. You see that line right there? Price is respecting and holding above that line. Now, we want on the 4-hour price to go above the VWAP. That would be ideal. Okay, that'd be ideal. Let's get down to the 1-hour time frame on Bitcoin. Okay. Bitcoin right now is pushing back up. I want to see the 1-hour time frame get back above the 50 and get these EMAs bullish again. Okay. It's still looking bearish right now, especially with all these EMAs clustered right here. Do you see that cluster right there of EMAs and VWAP? They're all clustered. We need to figure out, what are they going to do? Are they going to continue this bearish momentum, right? And with this break of trend on the 1-hour, we could see a push down to this support down here, or to this trend line on the daytime time frame that we already saw once. Okay. Thank you, William. I appreciate the lightning bolts too. Really appreciate that, man. Thank you. I love those gifts. I really appreciate that, William. Thank you so much. Now, with the watching of this, I want to see, what are the EMAs going to do here, and what is price going to do on this current trend line? Okay, will it hold or will it fall? And if it falls, I'll be watching what price does again in this support zone. And if it breaks out of that support zone, then yeah, maybe we're not going higher before the election. Maybe we will see some corrective measures. So currently, I'm not bearish yet in regards to pre-election. Until I see on the 4-hour time frame we make a lower low here. Like, we didn't even make a lower low there. We had a crazy wick, but we did not make a lower low. I'm not bearish yet. Okay, I'm not bearish yet. Now, if we went down to the 15-minute, maybe we can get some more information on what those smaller time frames are doing. Okay, let's check out what the 15 minutes doing on Bitcoin. EMAs are loading. Hold up. All right, so 15-minute time frame. We have obviously this crazy volume coming in on the 15-minute time frame. You see that volume spike? I just realized you... Let me push this up a little bit. Okay, right there. Look at that volume spike right there. That volume spike right here. That could be good for us. On the 15-minute time frame, you see right now, it's retesting the 9 EMA. And it looks like it might be holding above. We'll see. It looked like a little bit of a rejection here. But we'll see what in the 15-minute time frame what the lower time frame does also. Because if we can start having price go back above the 9 and have the 9 and the 20 EMA, which is this gray line right there, cross, that's bullish. Okay. But VWAP is this gray line right here. I should probably change that color. That's a little hard to see. Let me change that color real fast for the VWAP. What color should I change it to? No, maybe yellow. I started changing to green right now. All right, VWAP is that bright green line. We need price to also start getting above the VWAP on lower time frames. Okay. Truth, thank you for the follow. I really appreciate that. Thank you so much. Let me make sure we're not missing anything. Okay. But yeah, we need to see some bullish momentum here if we want to continue this bullish conversation. But as of right now, it is looking a little bearish. It is looking a little bearish, but on the lower time frames, right? Lower time frames, it's beginning to look bearish. Higher time frames still looks bullish, right? When you go back to the 4-hour, we made a higher low, right? We're making a higher low, and hopefully, if we push up and continue this bullish momentum, we'd make a higher high here and break this high. Then that's confirmation of a continuation of the bullish trend. Okay. But we got to wait. We got to really watch. I think right now price is at a pivotal point of what the heck is going to happen. Okay. What the heck is going to happen? All right. Let's go now from, oh, we just got someone in the Discord too. Crypto Journey, welcome to the Discord. You are our 78th member. We're almost at 80 members on the Discord. I love that. Crypto Journey, thank you for joining in. Again, if you have any questions, hit me up in there. You can @ me at any time. I'm always active in the Discord. So literally anytime, hit me up. We do morning Maniac TA on Tuesday, Thursdays. So just like this, but it's a private event for those in the Discord. Another thing I also like, on, is it the 4-hour or the day? It's the day time frame. The day time frame was due for a little correction. Okay, right? It had this pump, correction, pump, correction, right? This isn't weird. Like, this isn't weird price movement that it's doing, right? If you zoom out, right? If you zoom out, this is normal. Pump, correction. Pump, correction, right? And if we start deleting some of these things, let me clean this up real fast because I want to show you a clear picture. We'll leave that and we'll delete these guys. Man, why is this so laggy right now? And if you're wondering what site I'm using right now, this is TradingView, okay? Probably one of the best technical analysis charts. Come on, dude. Delete this thing. Thank you. Okay. If you delete this stuff, right? Right? If you're looking at this day time frame, really, price should test this, right? Test this day trend line. That wouldn't be weird, right? It's got support here. That wouldn't be completely weird, and that would not be bearish, right? That's normal for price to come up, make a higher high, then correct, right? Have some consolidation, retest support, then push up higher, right? And then this next push up would hopefully break this resistance point here. Okay, we would want price to kind of do this, right? We're right here, maybe doing some of this, test support, push up, retest support, and then push up higher, right? That's what we would want price to do, right? And that is not weird. That is not something weird to happen on the chart. Now, something that would be bad, something that would be bearish, is if price instead did like this. That's bearish. Okay? Right? That is bearish move right there. If we go up, right? If we go do some consolidation, test the support, but then break through, then retest support, then fall, that is bearish. That is not good. U.S. government investigating on USD. Fresh news. Maybe this is what caused the dump. U.S. government investigating on USED. Black Swan events. Did you mean USDC? Fabs, did you mean USDC or did you mean used? Tether, bro? Oh, Tether, USDT. All right, here. 10 minutes ago. Here we go. Good to see you too sick. How you doing, man? Good morning. Here we go. Let's see. This is breaking news. Literally, this got posted 10 minutes ago. Thank you, Fabs, for putting us on. Thank you, Fabs. Love having you in here. Too sick. Thank you for the heart. All right. Cryptocurrencies dipped after reporting of U.S. probe of Tether. Probe is over sanctions and money laundering rules. WSJ says price of Tether USD stablecoin falls to around 99.81 cents. Cryptocurrencies dipped across the board following a report that the U.S. was investigating the issue of Tether, stablecoin that underpins much of the trading in the digital asset world. The U.S. is investigating Tether Holdings Ltd. for possible violations of sanctions and anti-money laundering. No way. No way, Bloomberg. Dang it. U.S. investigating Tether Holdings. According to people familiar with the matter, the Wall Street Journal reported Tether USDT token, which seeks to maintain a one-to-one peg with dollar, dropped to around 99.81 cents. Oh, man. Are we going to have a D-peg situation with USDT again? Good. Good. I'd love to see it too sick. Let's see what else. Here's one. Hey, Dragon, thank you for joining the Discord. Love seeing you in there. Love having you in there. CEO just denied he's being investigated. Okay. All right, here. Here's Watch Guru. Watch Guru says CEO denies allegations of federal investigation. The investigation is not true. Okay. Who is the USDT CEO? Paolo? How do you say? I don't know how to say his name. To investigation. Let's see. See if we can find it. Tether Chief Executive. This is 13 minutes ago. Tether Chief Executive Paolo Adorno called the report old noise on the X social media platform, as we told. So he did it on X. Sorry, I want to do this live with you guys. Yeah, I feel like this is old news. Here we go. As we told to WSJ, there is no indicator that Tether is under investigation. WSJ is regurgitating old noise. Full stop. Okay, it sounds like this is old noise. Sounds like people tried to do some bad things to the market and it worked. Right? It definitely worked. It caused a large dump in the market. And now we're seeing a correction on that because now it was fake news. That's so stupid that WSJ would do that. I'm not really surprised though that they would do something like that. Of course they would do something like that. Freaking liars. Everyone boycott WSJ. Okay. Well, that's stupid. But yeah, that's what I'm... Oh, let me do this actually. This is what I think is going to happen in regards to crypto or Bitcoin, right? Before pre-election, right? This is what I think will happen. I don't know how high we'll go before November 5th, but I think we're not done with this bull run, okay? And I think now that this area is cleared up with USDT and we had that weird correction because some stupid journalism wanted to lie about something that's happening. Hopefully they're lying, right? Hopefully that is not true. Because that could actually cause a major issue in the market. That then it does a candle like that, literally because of false allegations, right? So this is kind of like what I'm expecting. Some consolidation, potential retest on this support, then a push out. Hopefully we break this resistance, retest, then go even higher, right? That's what I would guess. I'm going to leave that arrow there to see if we're right. Okay, I'm going to leave that arrow there. So then on Monday's live stream, we can see. But with the current, let me go to the 1 hour time frame because I might actually want to enter a trade soon on Bitcoin. Let me go to the 15 minute. Not yet. I want to see more bullish indicators here on the lower time frame before I start entering in. I want to see price above the 9, and also, so one of the indicators, price above the 9, another indicator, price or the 9 and the 20 EMA crossing, and then another indicator, price above the VWAP. Okay, those would be things that I would want to see. Thank you so much for the follow, guys. Again, if you're appreciating this content and you're finding value and you're learning, follow, share the stream, like the stream, all of that. I would love to have you guys be a part of our community. And again, if you want to have access to my mine and to the information I have all the time, join our Discord. And at any time, you can reach out to me in the Discord. And that's the whole point of the Discord. There's other members in the community, right? We're right now at 79 members in the community. Okay, we're at 79 members in the community, and there's 78, or if you're in there, there's 78 other people that could potentially help answer your question or help you get along further. And so this community I'm building in the Discord is literally just people of my audience, of people that are supporting my content, who find value in the day trading that we talk about, who find value in the alpha we talk about, and and want to support the content. So yeah, thank you guys for being in that Discord. It's completely free, by the way, too. It's a completely free Discord. You do not have to pay. The pay aspect is just if you'd like to help support our content and help push us even further. And we actually even want to use the paid subscription with Discord to help fuel like giveaways, to help fuel like the business expenses and things like that. So we want to give back to you guys. There was a public chat in here. But yeah, love to see you guys in there. Love to see you guys when you guys hop in the Discord. Man, thank you guys for following. I really appreciate it. We're getting a bunch of followers right now. I love it. Thank you guys. Thank you. And over 500 likes on the stream right now. That's awesome. Thank you guys so much. Thank you for being here. Let me check. Sometimes my multi-stream platform doesn't give me all the chats. Let me just make sure YouTube and Twitch I'm not missing anything there. Okay. All right. Let's move on now to some TA on my favorite coin in the entire world. Okay. That is Solana. Okay. Let's check it out. Let's see what's going on over here. Okay. Let's go to the daytime frame. Is it loading? Dude, my trading view right now is laggy. Drive me nuts. Bro, this isn't the daytime frame. I know this isn't. Yeah, it's 1 hour. There we go. Okay, daytime frame. Now, Solana on the daytime frame is also respecting this trend line I have here. Respecting that. But the thing I don't love to see is this bearish engulfing candle here on this current candle. Okay, I don't love to see that. All right, I do not like that at all. But we'll see what happens, right? We still got 4 hours or 4 hours and 55 minutes on this daily candle before it closes. So that's one 4-hour candle, right? Which we just saw the 4-hour candle wick hard off of this 50. And so maybe this next 4-hour candle will push up and give us the entry we want on Solana. But Solana did have the key breakout of this pennant on the lower time frame on the 4-hour, right? A breakout, retest. And if price holds above this pennant formation, I like that. That's a bullish signal. And I think I will actually enter a position if it closes outside of that. We'll see though. I want to go down to the lower time frames and see what we're seeing before I make any real decisions. And also it is kind of like a dangerous day to be trading, especially with that news with USDT. Okay, like until the real dust settles with that, that also kind of adds a black swan event that could happen in the market. Okay, so let's go down to the 1 hour time frame on Solana. Okay, you have right now this support area. Let's go to the 4-hour actually real fast. Let's add this box here. Okay, let's go back to the 1 hour. Let's shrink that support a little bit more. Okay, so here's a support zone that you have. Price fell below that support. I don't love that. And that's not a good signal. Okay, so I'm gonna watch this. I'm gonna watch this closely before I enter any positions and wait for more indicators that tell me it's a good move. Because right now I'm kind of seeing like price is doing some weird stuff, and there's actually not a great trade opportunity currently. I want to see what happens here. But let's see if we go down to the 15-minute time frame. Let's see what the 15-minute EMAs and stuff are doing. Okay. 15-minute time frame. VWAP is way up here. And we are currently in a bearish trend on the 9 and the 20 and the 50. Okay. So we are bearish right now. I'd want to see and wait and see what price does here. Watch for the price to again be above the 9. See the 9 and the 20 cross and see price retest the VWAP and see what it does there. Okay. Those are some things I want to see. But price is doing some funky things right now. And we need to be careful. Okay. We need to trade wisely right now. But look at this again. See this candle and look at that volume spike. That usually is a good indication for continuous bullish momentum, okay? That volume spike right there is a good indicator, okay? So I'm watching that too. And let's see what the 1 hour... Yeah, look at that volume that came in right there. That volume matches the volume over here, right? Right before it broke out of our pennant. Look at it. It's actually even higher than that volume, right? You see that? That's a really high amount of volume. So we want to see this volume continue, this bullish volume continue down here. And that'd be good indicators. But as you can see on the 1 hour too, the EMAs and VWAP are all clustered right now. So we got to kind of see what's going to happen. Are they going to go bearish or are they going to continue in a bullish momentum? So I'm watching. I'm watching closely. And guys, if you would like an exchange to trade on for when things are happening, when we do TA, And when you see the things that you want to do, and if you're a day trader, right, spot or futures trading, go use my link on BLOFIN. Okay, BLOFIN is one of my favorite exchanges, and I have special links that are in my bio. And right now we are actually doing a special event where you can win up to $10,000 actual cash towards your account, and that you can put into your pocket. And all you have to do is trade volume. Okay, let me open up the graphic for it. Okay, it's this event right here. Link is in my bio. You are all, this is also, just so you guys know, this is not a public event. This is just for my community. This is just for my audience, and just for you guys watching. So if you're a trader, if you spot trade or you futures trade, for this event, you're going to want a futures trade, not spot trade. And you can trade as low as 1x leverage, so it's pretty much spot trading. But if you hit these certain volume markers, you get paid out. So here, well, first, if you deposit money, you can get 10% cash back towards your futures account up to $1,000. So basically, I would recommend, if you're gonna deposit and take part in this, do not deposit more than 10K. That's the max you can get towards your futures account. Then if you hit 1 million in volume, 5 million, 20 million, 30 million, whatever it is, you get paid out in these payouts. And this is money that doesn't go towards your futures account. That's money that actually goes into your pocket. Okay. So you can win up to, all the way down here. Oh, let me see. There you go. This one down here, if you hit 100 million in volume up to November 1st, you will get paid out $9,400. Okay. But you have prizes of $3,500, $2,500, $1,500, $300, $130, right? And so I want to see you guys getting paid out for trading, and might as well. If you're already going to trade, why not get paid back some money too? So if you want to take part in that, if you're not an existing user, use the link in my bio. If you are an existing user of BLOFIN, DM me and send me your UID and tell me you want to be changed and swapped to Maniac to be a part of this event, and I will make sure the BLOFIN team does that for you, so you can take part in this event. But yeah, this is one of many events that we're going to do. We're going to do many more of these. But yeah, I hope this is fun for you guys. And I hope this is stuff you guys like. I'm always open to, if you're in the Discord, if you're watching this live stream, shoot me ideas of giveaways and things that you guys would like to see, because we're actively wanting to give back to you guys. And yeah, and just thank you guys for participating in our content. So yeah, this is our event that's currently going on. So use the link in our bio, visit our link tree, and this is what it looks like. Okay, and use this giveaway sign up right here. Yeah, this is the giveaway live stream that goes into a lot of detail on the giveaway. And then here's the actual sign up. So use the link in our bio and sign up there. Make beach tank tops. Okay. I could probably make that happen. Make beach tank tops. Okay. Get ready for Solana summer. I mean, it's already here, right? Let the guns fly out with the tank tops. But yeah, guys, I'm currently, honestly, I'll just be straight up with you guys with what I've seen with October. I'm bummed. Honestly, I'm bummed. I was expecting, I mean, October's not over, but I'm just gonna be honest with you guys. I thought we were gonna have more bullish momentum, and I mean, it's not over, right? We still have a week left in October. We still have 7 days, over 7 days left. Or actually a little bit less. We have 7 days until October's over. Okay. And October, when you look at the history of October, okay, we are currently sitting at a 6.75% ROI for October. Now, October, usually the median is 21.5%. Okay. Or the average is, and the median are basically about 21.5%, 21%. Okay. That's what October usually gives us. So say this next week is when we finally see that. That would mean in the next 6 days, we could see 15%. Okay? 15%. Now, will it happen? I don't know. Could it not happen? It could not, right? I mean, we've seen 5.5%, right? This would be if October does not go over 10%, this would be a first, because when September's green, October is usually a very bullish month, okay? A very bullish month. So if October does not break, in my opinion, like 13 to 15% return, that is weird. That is not a normal thing to happen, okay? That would also be like, if it's below 10%, that would also be like one of the lowest Octobers ever, right? And that would just be a bummer. I'm just gonna be straight up with you guys. I'd be bummed out because I was expecting more out of October, but it's not done. That's why we do this TA every single day. That's why we watch these charts. That's why we find support and resistance. That's why we're paying attention to the news, because we want to make sure that if there is a 15% pump, we catch that, right? We catch that. And so let me put that in perspective for you. If we had a 15% pump with what Bitcoin normally does, right, from where current price is right now, let's move this over just for a second. If we had a 15% pump from current price, that would give us a 21% return for the month. And that puts us at a $76,835 Bitcoin. Or basically, it puts us at a $76,000 Bitcoin, which would be a new all-time high. Okay? So put that into perspective. If we see this hold, right? And we see a 15% move that usually happens in October, right? The median. We could see a $76,000 Bitcoin. Now, will that happen? I don't know. That's why we got to pay attention. That's why we got to watch the TA. We got to watch the charts. We got to be smart traders. We cannot be stuck in the mindset that this is guaranteed. This is not guaranteed. Okay? I want to make that very clear. This 15% is not guaranteed. Okay? At all. This is not guaranteed at all. We are just solely going off of historical statistics that Bitcoin does, okay? And we're not done with October. Now, if we were on October 30th and this is still what we had to do, I would be like, yeah, this is probably not happening, okay? But we still have a week, okay? And a lot of things can happen in a week, okay? So I'm not convinced yet that this is not possible. I want to see what happens here. And also, I want to make sure I'm prepared for this pump. Okay, I do not want to miss that if it does happen. But will it happen? I don't know. Stay tuned to our live stream. Stay tuned into the tweets that we're doing. Stay tuned to our Discord, where I do technical analysis inside of the Discord when I see something happen. Stay tuned, because we will make sure you are informed. Now, it's not financial advice. I'm not going to tell you where to buy or where to sell. I'm not going to tell you that. I'm just going to tell you my technical analysis and what I see price doing. That's what I'm going to do. And I'm going to make sure you stay informed, okay? So sorry, have to go. I enjoyed this. I loved having you in here. Grandma, thank you so much for hanging out. I hope that was fun for you. I love seeing my grandma in here, dude. That's so cool. My grandma got to watch my live stream. When family supports you. Thank you, Grandma. I love you. Love you so much. But yeah. This is not guaranteed. I want to make that very clear, but it's very important to stay informed, watch what's going on, and watch what's happening. Because I'd say there's two things right here. What does price do at this resistance, and what does price do if we touch this support? Those are key indicators of what could happen next, right? Did we just get another person in the Discord? Let's go. We just hit 80 members in the Discord. Nita, thank you so much for joining the Discord. Thank you so much for being here. I am so appreciative of you. I love having you. I hope you take advantage of the Discord, and feel free, ask questions, shoot your concerns, shoot your TA. Like, that's not a place just for my technical analysis. Put your TA in there too. Let's help each other be better traders. Show me where you're seeing bearish stuff or bullish stuff that maybe I'm missing. Like that's the whole point of that Discord. Like, let's help each other. Let's build each other up. Let's go. I loved having you in the Discord. Thank you so much, Dia, for joining. Loved having you. Love having you in there. Go check out all the channels. Go explore what we've already done in the Discord. There's a lot and there's more coming. My goal was to have a game night tonight, but it didn't look like there was any interest from the community. So let me know in the Discord if you're in there if you would like to have a game night, and if that's something you would like to do. I was planning on doing Black Ops 6, but let me know. Let me know if that's something you guys would be interested in, or if you really just don't care about game nights and you don't want to do them. But if you are interested in the game night, let me know in the Discord. Hit me up, or even in the chat right now or on stream, because if that's something you guys want to do, I'm down to do them. But I did a poll in the Discord and it looked like no one was interested, so I don't think I'm gonna do it today, but maybe we'll do one later when there's more interest. But yeah, guys, that is currently all I have for you in regards to technical analysis, what I'm seeing in the market, what I'm seeing going on in the space. I love that we got to see that USDT news live. I hope that was helpful, and I hope that the CEO is right and they're not actually getting investigated. I hope the CEO is not lying, and I hope it was WSJ that was lying. How did you get those colors, if you don't mind me asking? That's on your chart. Oh yeah, I basically just went in here, right? So if you're on the chart on, oh, let me, I'm not sharing my screen real fast. We're going to answer this question real quick. Here, we'll do it on my other chart that I need to set up. So I'll show you. If you go to my Bitcoin chart that I need to set up, right? I just set this one up. Okay. When you right click on the chart, just right click, or you can go up here to chart settings in the top right corner, but you right click, go to settings, then you go symbol, and then inside here you can change the colors. Now this is a custom color I made. I just went here and then I found like neon green. I added that, and then this is just white, and then my borders are black. And then when I go to my canvas, I got my custom color right here that I created, and it's just like in the blue and like down in this dark area. Yeah. So that's how you edit them. And then my EMAs and stuff, which I need to update these ones. My EMAs, you just go over to here to your indicators, go to the chart setting for them, and then set those up. Let's go green. VWAP, we have VWAP being light green or neon green. Okay, we got the EMA on the 50. Yep, being like a dark gray. There we go. There we go. Oh, we got to change this too. So if you go here, settings, symbol, and you just change your colors. Just like that. And I kind of like having the fun colors. I like having the fun colors. I think they're fun. But I mean, some people just like to have the OG, like, you know, green and red, you know, but I kind of like having the cool colors. I don't love green and red, so I like having like more, I don't know what you call this, but like I like the look of it. It looks so clean to me when you go to my Sol and Bitcoin one. I think it looks just clean, especially when you get like the, oh shoot, especially when you get like the dark background and they're all just like the same color. I love that. I think it's so nice to have. But yeah, I hope that was helpful. Thank you, Will. Thank you, Brian. I'm back. I love having you back, Will. Thank you for being back. What is the commission rate for BLOFIN? My commission for the BLOFIN affiliate is 50-50 split on the fees for me. So I make, when you guys, the only way I make money is if you trade on BLOFIN. And I split fees with BLOFIN. That's how they help me out. So they don't pay me. Like, they don't pay me to do this. I get paid out of the affiliates, if any. So I try to be very transparent with you guys, that you guys just know what's going on. But also, what I found out when I spoke with the BLOFIN team, I can make custom links that actually give back to you guys too. And so I'm thinking of making some custom ones where you guys can actually, when you use my affiliate on like special streams and stuff, you guys actually get some money back too. Do we get a discount on fees? Yes, with my link, I'm pretty sure you get a discount. But I honestly don't know for sure. I can do that in the future, but I'm pretty sure you get a discount on fees. Yeah, let me look into that. I don't know for sure if you get a discount on fees, but I think you do when you use my link, because I'm an affiliate, right? So I'm not just like a normal referral. It should be a discount. Yeah. Let me look into that, Dia, and I'll put it up in the Discord, okay? When I get more information, I'll try to do that by end of day today in the Discord. And maybe today I might actually make one of those special links just for the people who join Discord and are in the Discord today. And then maybe if I don't already have discounted fees, I'll make one that has them, because I know I can do that. I can adjust the fees and stuff. I think I'm like pretty sure I can. I'm gonna do some research into that, and I'm gonna get back to you guys. So if you're in the Discord and if you want to know if you get discounted fees, hop in the Discord and I'll try to let you guys know by end of day. That's fine. Hey, if you're not comfortable trading, don't do it. I'll be straight up honest with you guys. If you're not comfortable trading yet, don't do it. Oh, but this is a cool thing, which I mean, again, I won't earn if you use this feature, but BLOFIN does have this feature, demo trading. Okay, so if you go to BLOFIN, they do have demo trading that is fake money. So if you want to practice trading with what I'm showing you guys, BLOFIN does have demo trading, right? You can see it up in the top, demo trading up there. So if you want to take part and actually do the same stuff on the same exchange as me, you can open up an account and do demo trading. Okay, so if you want to practice your trading skills, BLOFIN does have it. Oh shoot. Oh, I have the hiccups. BLOFIN does have demo trading, so I do recommend this though. If you're not currently a trader, but you're very interested in learning, I highly recommend start doing demo trading and practicing, because then it's fake money. You don't risk anything, and it trades just like real money. Okay, and then you just hop back to live trading when you're ready. Are there other exchanges you would recommend? Other exchanges right now, I mean, if you can, if you're able to, MEXC, but MEXC, the one down here, this one down here in the top or bottom to your, is it your right or my left, your right? The blue one, MEXC, is another good exchange, but that one requires KYC. So if you're not comfortable with that, I understand. BLOFIN does not require KYC. That's why I love it. But other than that, I really like, the only reason I am affiliate with BLOFIN is because I actually love their exchange. I started trying to do a different exchange. I'm not going to say the name of them, but I tried to do some other exchanges, and I just, honestly, the UI was horrible, and like the trading interface was not good. I did not like it, and I didn't want to show that to you guys because I didn't enjoy it. It was a bad experience for me. I actually lost quite a bit of money because of their exchange and the UI, and I left. And that's when I found BLOFIN, and now I only use BLOFIN because I really, really, really like the exchange. Like, just to be straight up with you guys, I love the exchange. And that's my honest opinion. I again, they're not paying me to say this. They're not They're not forcing me. Like, we don't have some brand deal or nothing like that. Like, I only do it because I actually like it. Does BLOFIN have better fee structure than Coinbase? I don't know the fee structure on Coinbase. Just to be honest, I don't know the fees on there. Now, what I can tell you is BLOFIN has a lot more futures trading options in regards to like their coins, right? You can do meme coins, you can do altcoins, you can do L1s, and then you can also trade leverage. Pretty high leverage. I don't recommend high leverage, but you can. I'm fighting for my disability, so don't have an income coming in, but I really do want to learn. Yeah, no, I love that, William. I hope you are I hope you're healthy, and I hope you're okay with what happened with your disability that you just mentioned. So I'll be praying for you, dude. I don't know what your situation is, man, but I hope you're doing all right. And yes, man, that's the whole point of these live streams, is to help educate people, for maybe those who are trading or aren't trading. Like, you do not have to be a trader in order to be watching the stream and take part. All right, guys, that's all I had for you guys today. That's all we had. I hope that was helpful. I hope you get a clear understanding of what I'm expecting from the charts, what I'm expecting from Bitcoin and Solana, and that we're kind of in a funky price spot. I will be letting you guys know in the Discord. I'll be putting my TA up if I do see something that's like really identifying factor of like, oh yeah, we're going higher, or oh no, we're going lower. I'll keep you guys informed on there. But yeah, up until then, I will see you guys when it comes to live streams. I will see you on Monday at 11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, because that's when we do all of our live streams. And yeah, that's all I had for you guys today. Guys, thank you so much for being here. Seriously, I really appreciate it. I hope you found value. And I just cannot express enough how much I love doing this, and how much I love seeing you guys interact and get excited for what's coming. So yeah, everyone, happy Friday. Have a great rest of your day, and let's hope that it gets even more bullish by the end of the day. Okay, let's hope that 15% pump comes. That's what I'm hoping. All right, guys, happy Friday. See you later.
major freedom fighter.